Alright, so today I'm going to cook chicken teriyaki over rice, okay? So after we cook the chicken teriyaki, we're going to put it on top of the steamed rice. The steamed rice, it's still in the rice cooker, but so far these are the ingredients. I just want to show it to you guys. Marinated chicken fillet and the carrots and the onions, garlic, and broccoli. Alright, and of course the teriyaki sauce and the black pepper. First, we're going to put the garlic. Onions will be last, okay? Marinated chicken. This is there you go. You gotta pay attention. Do not overcook the chicken. There you go. I'm gonna add a little ground black pepper, okay? Okay, and then stir it. There you go. Chicken is almost done, but pay attention, do not overcook it. Okay. It's gonna cook by itself. Alright, chicken is almost cooked. Alright, so since the chicken is cooked, so now you're gonna add the cooked garlic. Alright, there you go. Not the onions, okay? Then stir it. We'll add flavor. And then just add a little bit of teriyaki sauce, okay? This is teriyaki sauce with sesame seeds, okay? Just a little bit for now, okay? I put more sauce, okay? Then now, I'm gonna put in the carrots. Okay, so the carrots, I boiled them already, but they're not cooked well done, okay? Almost, but not well done, you know, so it'll be crunchy, okay? So now, you mix it with the chicken, alright? There you go. Okay? Alright. And now, the next step, we're going to put in the broccoli. Alright? There you go. So then, you're going to mix them all together. There you go. Okay? And now for the final step, not everything, okay? Not everything. Just put a little bit onion rings, okay? There you go. Just the little ones, okay? Just the little ones. Okay. For the final one, okay, put all the onions, okay? But just stir them lightly, okay? So the onions won't get crushed, okay? So there you go. And of course, our steamed rice is right there. You know, so this chicken teriyaki will be on top of the steamed rice, okay? Alright. Alright, so this is our steamed rice. Okay, as you guys can see, a bowl of steamed rice. So then we're gonna put the chicken teriyaki on top. Alright. Get some sauce. Alright. Here we go. Put some more sauce. Some onions. There you go.
Wow, yummy.
Let's eat. So this is the chicken teriyaki over steamed rice, okay? Chicken teriyaki bowl. Alright? You got the carrots, broccoli, onions, garlic, and of course the chicken with teriyaki sauce over steamed rice.